Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today I'm gonna show you like this pink makeup for Valentine's Day. I love this date. I love like all the colors and everything. And if you're planning like going on a date, I think like you can recreate this makeup like so easy. So I hope that you really like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I have really cool videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and the button down below and activate the notifications bell button so you don't miss any of my next videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so for this video I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette because I think it has like really pretty pink colors. So we're gonna be playing with it. I have no idea what we're gonna do or what look yet, but we'll get there. I already have my foundation on, so hopefully I don't ruin it, because ABH is famous for having a lot of fallout, so we'll see. I'm gonna start by taking like this kind of like angle brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Venetian Red, and I'm gonna apply it as my transition shade. Okay, so hopefully you can't hear the music that's going on right now because my neighbor decided to give a concert right now. So we'll just go with it. Now we're gonna take the shade Red Ochre and Love Letter. I'm gonna combine these two and apply it like really close to the transition shade but a little bit lower. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take the shade Tempera and I'm gonna apply that like on my eyelid, and then on top of that we're gonna apply a little bit of glitter, but first we're gonna apply this one. Okay, so like I said, like my neighbor is singing like with all her heart. So like I bought this microphone a couple of weeks ago and I haven't used it, so let's see if we can make this sound better. But let's move on with the makeup. Okay, so now that we applied that shade, I'm gonna apply this one here called Vermeer. I usually apply glitter eyeshadow with a finger, but now I'm gonna use the brush and let's see like how that applies. And I'm gonna apply it like on this this light side of my eye. I'm applying by just like tapping it, and later on I'm gonna go back with those pink eyeshadows and gonna like blend that out. Okay, so like I said, I'm going back with the shade Venetian Red and Love Letter, and I'm gonna like blend this too because I feel like it needs to have like that good transition, and I'm bringing it in just a tiny bit. I'm also going with a bigger blending brush and blend this too. I'm surprised that it didn't have any fallout at all, like nothing. Okay, so now I would usually go with a black eyeliner and do my wing line, but I want to use this disc liner from NYX, and this is a glitter pink eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply that one just like I would apply the normal black eyeliner. Okay, now that I have this one, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And I'm using this small flat brush and taking the shade Love Letter combined with the Real Gar. And I'm gonna apply it on the lower lash line. And finally, I'm taking the shade Primavera right here and I'm gonna apply it to the inner corner of my eye. To finish up my face, I said I already have foundation. I have like the light to medium coverage, and I'm gonna use this holographic stick from Milk as my highlighter. And I would usually go with false eyelashes, but I already have my lash extensions, so I don't need them. But for lipstick, I'm gonna take this really cute lip gloss from Laura Galera. Like, I would usually use red lipstick, but I think like we already have too much on the eye, so I'm gonna apply this lip gloss. And that's it for this look. I know it's kind of similar to like others I've done, but I've never like done any like pink makeup with a Modern Renaissance palette, and I don't know, I think it's like really cute to create a nice pink makeup for Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments down below what your plans are for that day, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope to see you all more in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.